Hey guys, we're back here with another great episode of the BYBB Lifestyle. We've got Amari right here. I'm Jamie Graff, and here we are on the 7th week with Amari living the BYBB Lifestyle. And on this topic for today, I want to speak with Amari and see if he's scared. If he's scared of what, you ask? Well, if he's scared of not being able to handle or continue or follow the BYBB lifestyle on his own. So Amari, throughout these last 7 weeks, you've eaten all the food. You saw me prepare the beet juice. You saw me prepare the fruit bowls, the salads. You learned the process. You saw the stage. You ate the food. How do you think you're going to be able to handle this on your own from here on out? Because I'm hoping, like you've said, we didn't put it in stone, but we shook on it.
Definitely.
This guy's going to continue to follow the BYBB lifestyle week after week so that he can come back and show you guys in another 8 weeks, and then another 8 weeks after that. I want to know, Amari, how are you thinking you're going to be able to uphold these duties of following the BYBB lifestyle? Let's tell the people, what do you think?
Well, I mean, definitely going to take some planning. I think it isn't just the food that you have to think about. You have to think about what it takes to prepare your food, what it takes to get your food. You've probably seen our episodes at the farmer's market. So going to the farmer's market, making it something enjoyable with my family, I think will help.
Yeah. Showing them the process.
Yeah, showing them the process and making it fun. Making it an enjoyable thing. You got to add the joy to it in order for it to be sustainable, I think.
That's the most important part, is making the fun with it. Yes.
Yeah. So
and that's where the variety comes in.
Correct.
With the different fruits, the different leafy greens, the different vegetables, grains, beans.
Yeah. I mean, I'd be lying if I said I didn't have any fears or doubts, because I've lived a lifestyle to this point a certain way. But I mean, the difference is my health is on the line, and I've just I've acquired more responsibilities in the last few weeks, and I just gotta do it. So I got to figure out the timing for when I'm going to prep, because that's probably the thing that scares me the most is the timing on the prep.
Yeah.
Because I don't have a whole lot of time. I don't really have any full days off. So I think I have to, I think I can shop in the mornings on Sundays at the farmer's market. I think I can prep Monday evenings.
Yeah, because it really, as we've done, as you've all seen out there, it only takes about 2 hours of prep time.
Yeah.
You go get your groceries, you combine them. Of course, you maybe start getting yourself some jars.
Yeah.
So you can buy a large quantity of the beans and keep those on deck.
Yeah.
In the house, however you want to say it, with the grains as well.
Right.
You always get better deals when you buy larger quantities.
Yeah.
And for all of you guys out there, you can check in my link. I've got a link to a great organic company that you can get a discount on all your grains, beans, seeds, dried fruits.
Yeah. I will say this, and I hope this isn't blasphemous, but I live next door to an everyday table. So in a pinch, I have organic food that I can grab if I find myself. These are just things I've thought about to make sure I stay on the straight and narrow.
Yeah.
So I literally live next door to one. So they have a lot of grab and go if you need to. So got a backup plan if I for some reason my schedule. But like I said, I'm actually just getting my schedule down.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing that kind of scares me. It isn't the desire. It isn't the belief. It isn't. It isn't a I can't do this kind of mentality. It's just more about the fitting in it.
Yeah.
So that'll be the challenge.
That'll be the challenge. All right. Well, the honesty is the best policy around here, so that's good that you're sharing that, and you believe it in yourself. You're being honest with yourself about that.
Yeah, I mean, the greatest lies we hear are the ones we tell ourselves, right?
Yes.
So,
oh yeah.
Yeah. So that's my plan. I'll you'll find out, and I guess that'll be 9 weeks from now.
Yeah. Time will tell.
Yeah.
That's how it
The
goes.
results
Time
come
will
out,
tell.
regardless if you want them to or not.
Yeah. And we're gonna bring him back, whether he follows it or not. We're gonna see where he's at
Yeah.
in another 9 weeks.
Motivation too.
Exactly.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna
And
lie.
I'm still going to be with him at work.
Sure.
5 days a week. We
Sure.
still work together. So he's going to be seeing me there. And we'll see who starts the Bib Lifestyle next. We'll see what contestant what participant who that's going to be, and what kind of changes they make.
And then we're gonna have a bib off. Who's the best? The greatest of bib.
There we go. There we go. And so far, Amari, he has done. You've done the best so far,
Thanks,
my man.
man. Thank
Absolutely.
you.
You've been more committed than any of my other participants, going the full 7 days a week after week. I think you maybe only had, 2 cheat meals, 3 cheat meals out of the entire time, which is very, very incredible from considering the lifestyle that he was living before, the food choices he was making, being at work and having family meal each and every day, that he no longer participates in, and he just brings his fruit bowls and his salads and he sits there.
You see me.
And he eats those at work, and then everybody else is asking, oh man, look at that fruit bowl, look at that salad. Wow, that looks incredible.
Yeah.
The root powders, I hope that you're still interested in taking the root powders and the seed packs. And for all of you guys out there, make sure you go to my website, BYBBLife.com. You could pick up the digital book. We've got 2 other books on there as well that explain to you all about the seeds, all about the root powders, the nutritional value, the health information, the health side effects that you're going to get, positive health side effects that you're going to get from taking these products. It's all there. It's all about the fountain of youth, and that's what the Bib Lifestyle is all about. Amari, is there anything else that you have in your heart, in your mind, that you want to share with the people out there that's touched you, or anything that about the Bib Lifestyle that you can suggest or recommend, or for anybody?
Well, yes. I would just say first and foremost, everything that you come across in your life, I think usually happens for a reason. And I don't necessarily mean like, some divine, great universal plan, as much as it is our own energies that we put out there, and the things that we focus on. Those are the things that come to us, and those are the things that we receive in our lives. And you are the person that is the major contributor to the things that are coming to you. So with that being said, I would say thank you for coming into my life at the time that I needed you.
Yeah.
And I will be subscribing to the root powders and the seed packs, and I'm going to buy a book. So just to have more backup, because I don't want to call you every single time I need to know something. But, and just understanding, like I said, my relationship with food and my awareness of food is increasing. And I really appreciate that. And couldn't have done it without you.
Well, I appreciate that very much. You guys heard it. Amari said it. Guys, this year has been a fantastic season. Amari has been an incredible participant. I can't thank him enough. We've got 1 more week. Make sure you guys stay tuned to check out the final results to see how much weight this young man has lost and is still losing. Check out his cholesterol levels, his high blood pressure levels. We're going to share it with you all here next week.
Oh, and one more thing. Sorry.
That's all right.
Don't mean to interrupt, but so since I will do an 8-week follow-up after we end the season, I'll go get another physical and get some real concrete numbers to compare from the beginning. From the beginning,
because he had blood tests, he had the real concrete test done from the beginning. We'll get another one. We'll compare the results, and we'll see how impactful 8 weeks of the Bib Lifestyle is on the human body. Thank you guys again for tuning in. It's been another great episode. I always love these wonderful participants sharing the Bib Lifestyle. I know what it's done for me. I know what it can do for you. So make sure you get yourself involved. If you have any questions, I've got a lot of answers. Give me a direct message. Shoot me a message, whatever it is. I'm here for you. This is the Bib Lifestyle. Be your best body, where we eat for health. I'm Jamie Graff. We got Amari here. All of you guys out there,
Be your best
body.